This is an HPP 40mm, very basic disc detainer lock. It works, as you can see, and I like to watch a bit TV or something and fidget with these things. So let's see. I'm turning all the discs clockwise. I have this slightly modified Chinese disc detainer pick. It works well on this type of lock. I set the tension tip to exactly pick up on the first disc and not on the others, not on any of the others. And so let's fidget for a while. Oh, well, that's not too much fidgeting here. That was easy. Okay, that's HPP 40mm. I think this is actually rated green. Well, maybe because it is an entrance level disc detainer. Anyway, that's it. HPP 40mm basic disc detainer. I am Motorist. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.